तो यहाँ हम निकल चुके हैं कलकत्ता की सड़क पर तारामंडल की ओर, आई मीन बिरला प्लेनेटेरियम की ओर। से उतर गए हैं और यहाँ पे मैंने देखी भेलपूरी, तो मैं भेलपूरी बनवाने लग गई और मैंने बनवाई चाट, क्योंकि बिरला प्लेनेटेरियम के अंदर अभी टाइम था, आधा एक घंटा था अंदर एंट्री लेने के लिए। तो हमने तब झालमुड़ी बनवाई, भेलपूरी और चाट बनवाई। तो यहाँ की भेलपूरी खा के तो मज़ा ही आ गया, इतनी चटपटी। फिर जो मैंने चाट बनवाया था, ये चाट भी मैंने ये खाया और ये जितना देखने में यमी था उतना खाने में यमी था। तो आपको भी अच्छा लग रहा है ना ये चाट देखने में? मन कर रहा है ना कि अभी भी खा लो इस चाट को छीन के मुझसे। तो ये है बिरला प्लेनेटेरियम और बाहर से कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा था। यहाँ पे बंगाली में लिखे हुए थे प्राइस वगैरह। तो यहाँ पे लोगों को धूप ना लगे इसलिए इन्होंने ये थोड़ा सा टेंट टाइप का लगा दिया है। तो यहाँ पे हम आ चुके हैं अंदर। मेरी टिकट्स फैमिली वालों ने पहले ही ख़रीद ली थी, तो मैंने एंट्री कर ली है। अब हम अंदर जा रहे हैं और हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं कि ये अंदर जाते वक्त ऐसी लाइट्स वगैरह हैं और सामने ऐसा है जिससे ये प्रोजेक्टर टाइप का होता है, वो चलता है। तो यहाँ पे मेरी फैमिली के साथ आई एम सिटिंग हेयर इनसाइड द हॉल, और ये अप साइड से ऐसा है और फ्रंट में ऐसा है जिसके थ्रू ये प्रोजेक्टर की तरह है, जिसमें से निकलती है पूरी मूवीज़ दिखाई जाती है। तो यहाँ पे मैं बैठी हूँ और अब मैं वेट कर रही हूँ कि ये कब चलेगा कब चलेगा।
We will now be entering the colorful, mind-boggling cosmos of immense dimensions, experiencing the brilliant colors and sights of what is truly a small part of our universe. The real lifelike objects and environment of our story today, the cosmic collisions.
Hello, I'm Robert Redford. Out here in space, the stars look peaceful, don't they? Through good times and bad, we've always found comfort in their reassuring light, a sense that there's order in the universe. When something new suddenly appears in the night sky, it makes us wonder. See that big rock? It's really a comet. People used to believe that comets like this one were bad omens, warnings that trouble was on the way. Today, we know that comets begin as chunks of ice and rock that orbit around the sun, far beyond the planets of our solar system. If one of them is pulled into an orbit closer to the sun's heat, its icy surface changes from solid to gas, unleashing an enormous tail of rock and dust that's millions of miles long. But knowing what a comet is doesn't mean it can't cause trouble. That comet is heading towards Earth. Will it hit? Not this one. Like most comets, it will pass us by. But bits of rock from the comet's tail, called meteoroids, will collide with Earth's atmosphere. When they hit, they'll burn up, creating a brilliant meteor shower. about the sun. Those dark patches are sunspots. Each of them is about the size of Earth. Sunspots look dark because they're the coolest places on the sun, only about 8,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The rest of the sun is even hotter. The sun's energy, like that of all stars, is created by collisions between tiny particles called protons. Every second, countless numbers of protons collide and fuse within the sun's core, releasing incomprehensible amounts of energy. Most of this energy leaves the sun as light. Some of it leaves the sun's surface in a continuous stream of charged particles known as the solar wind, which blows out into the solar system at almost 1,000,000 miles an hour. Or in less frequent but faster solar storms that blast particles out into space. We're looking at actual images of solar storms taken by a NASA satellite. See that static? That's a solar storm cloud hitting the satellite and overwhelming its imaging device.
ऐसा लग रहा है हम ऊपर जा रहे हैं, है ना?
The solar wind blasts across the planets in the solar system every second of every day. It's so powerful that contact with it would sweep away a large portion of our upper atmosphere, removing much of our water and dramatically altering the development of life on Earth. But fortunately, Earth is protected by an invisible natural shield. What you're seeing is a visualization of Earth's magnetic field. This field arises from Earth's iron core, which makes our planet act like a big magnet, attracting some things and repelling others. Wrapped in this cocoon, Earth is sheltered from the solar wind. But some of the particles make it through this magnetic barrier, eventually reaching the North and South poles. The results are spectacular. Glorious, shimmering curtains of color. This one is the Aurora Borealis, the Northern Lights. Auroras occur when charged particles from the solar wind and solar storms collide with the upper atmosphere of Earth, causing atmospheric gases to glow. That's the International Space Station, circling the globe in low Earth orbit, about 250 miles up. Not many people. Asteroids are pieces of rock and metal left over from the first few million years of our solar system, when the planets were forming. Most of these asteroids orbit within the belt that you're seeing, located between Mars and Jupiter. Some can even be closer. There's only a 1 in a million chance in any given year that a large asteroid will hit Earth. But 65 million years ago, one did. It was about 7 miles wide, traveling at 40,000 miles an hour, and it was headed straight for Earth. But not the Earth we know today. This was long before humans existed, when the great dinosaurs roamed the planet. Unfortunately for them, that was about to change. The asteroid hit near what is now Mexico. The impact created a fireball that scorched everything in sight. Vaporized earth and rock were blasted into space. As this material rained back down, it heated the atmosphere. Blowing debris slammed into Earth, hitting again. For an hour, temperatures rose to more than 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Literally, what you're seeing has been speeded up so that every second, 40 million years pass by. Galaxies, like everything else in the universe, are constantly on the move. Even though they're very far apart, the powerful force of gravity pulls them together. These two great galaxies will swirl around each other in a graceful cosmic dance, glancing off one another and then drifting apart again. Stars and planets in these galaxies won't actually collide. They're much too far apart.
सब बढ़ रहे हैं ना।
आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ।
जैसा कि आपने देखा वीडियो में, मैं वेट मशीन पे खड़ी थी और वहाँ पे मेरा हर प्लेनेट पे बताया जा रहा था कि मेरा किस किस प्लेनेट पर क्या क्या वेट है। तो यहाँ पे मैंने पिक भी खींची हुई है और आपको दिखाया है कि यहाँ पे हर प्लेनेट में कम या ज़्यादा वेट दिखाया जाता है जब आप उस मशीन पे खड़े हो जाते हैं। तो यहाँ पे मैं भी खड़ी हुई और मैंने भी अपना वेट देखा। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप लोगों को मेरा व्लॉग अच्छा लगा हो, तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू।